Hello there and welcome back. Today, I will show you how to transfer your domain name to HOSTAFRICA. Transferring a domain only changes the company that manages the domain. It does not automatically transfer your website files, databases, or email accounts. Before transferring your domain, make sure the domain is eligible for transfer. To do that, make sure it is unlocked at your current registrar and that you have its EPP code or authorization code. For extensions such as .com, the domain generally must be at least 60 days old and must not have been transferred within the last 60 days. However, extensions such as .ke do not require any period to be transferred, while .co.za do not require an EPP code for transfer. Let us get started. Once you are on the HOSTAFRICA page, click Domain and select Domain Transfer. Enter the domain you wish to transfer and click Check Availability to check if your domain is available for transfer. On this page, once you've seen the domain is available for transfer, click Transfer. Input your EPP code. Click I understand to proceed. The domain will appear in your cart. On your left-hand side, select the payment method you would wish to use and click Pay Now. In this example, we will use M-Pesa. Please note that you can use other payment methods, including PayPal and credit cards, as shown. If you do not have an account with HOSTAFRICA, you'll have to create a new one. In case you already have one, just key in your email address, password, and log in. After logging in or creating an account, you'll be able to make payment. For M-Pesa, click Send Request to Phone and you will be prompted to make payment. Note that the payment that you make is not only a transfer fee, but also will renew your domain for 1 year. Transferring a .ke domain does not require a confirmation email for you to approve the transfer, but if you are transferring extensions like .com, you will need to open the confirmation email and approve the transfer request from your registrar. This transfer may take several days to complete, depending on your domain extension. Once you've made the payment, your domain will be managed from your HOSTAFRICA Client Area. You can see right here under Domains, and that's it. In case you experience any problems, contact your current registrar or the HOSTAFRICA support team for assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.